Hey, so I'm back in Michigan and I'm just checking out all the work I have to do. Everything is so overgrown. But I stumbled upon this KNIPHOFIA that I planted earlier, I think late spring maybe, and it needs to be pruned. So this is how I do it. It actually looks pretty good, just some yellow and brown leaves down there. So I'm not gonna do anything with these green ones at this time, but you can see the seeds have formed and fallen for the most part from the flower. These are seed pods right here. Let's see if we can look at the seeds. See if I can do this with one hand, left-handed. I don't think I can. Oh, there we go. Well, I don't. Oh, there's the seed right there. There we go. And these green ones are still not ready, but they're getting there. So anyway, I'm going to leave that because I don't mind it self-seeding. And for ease, I'm going to see if I can just pull up the yellowed leaves. Because why not save me some work? Save myself some work. This right here was a flower. It's a little difficult to pull up. Here's another flower stem. It's okay to tug a little, just be careful not to pull up the whole plant. Keep an eye out for spiders if you're doing this barehanded. They almost remind me of like iris leaves or daylily. Oh, that's grass. That should be good for now. Oh, this was a flower as well. Oh, and it just came up. Looks much better already. And then for the tougher ones, just pull out your pruners and cut the stem all the way down to the bottom. There's this stem. Looks like two more. And one more. And that's it. If you want to, if you don't want to wait, you can cut off stems like this too. And you're just gonna go down to the bottom, just like the other ones. And as low as you can. And that's how you prune and deadhead a KNIPHOFIA. That would be an inchworm.